CIA News Africa. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi. The Executive Chairman of the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, Ola Olukoyede, has charged legal officers of the Commission to uphold precision, diligence, and professionalism in the prosecution of financial crimes. The Efcc boss gave the directive in Abuja at the opening of a 3-day intensive training program for legal officers held at the Efcc Academy. Represented by the Director of Legal and Prosecution, Sylvester Tahi, Olukoyede stressed that careful case preparation remains critical to achieving successful prosecutions and maintaining public confidence in the Commission's work. He described the training as a strategic initiative aimed at aligning the legal and prosecution department with the Commission's operational goals for the year, noting that continuous capacity building is essential for effective service delivery across EFCC commands nationwide. Participants were urged to actively engage facilitators during the sessions as the training focuses on practical, real-life courtroom experiences rather than theoretical discussions. The Commission says the initiative is part of its ongoing commitment to strengthening the institutional capacity, improving the quality of prosecutions, and ensuring effective justice delivery in the fight against economic and financial crimes in Nigeria. This is CIA News Africa. Subscribe to this channel if you're watching this video on YouTube, and follow this page if you're watching this video on Facebook. I am Chidi Ikenna Amobi. Do enjoy